I definitely need a new chair for this garage. Anybody want to donate one? Welcome to Barely Sane Garage. This is part two for the Nissan S13 build, right? Let's just try to get through this. I don't want to ramble too much. If you want to see the video of what we did, just go ahead and fast forward. You know how to do it. You don't have to hear me ramble. But we ended up doing a 5.3 T56 transmission, 6-speed. Pause, rewind. Let's talk about that T56 transmission for a little bit. Man, I don't know what's going on with the market right now. Everybody and their mom, man, is jacking up that used price for the market. And if you're selling for one, come on, man, don't sell it for $3 grand. I mean, I know that's what it's going for, but you're just hurting us budget guys, right? Anyways, to counteract that, on the 68 Firebird build that I have in one of my previous videos somewhere in interwebs, right? We're gonna be converting from the 4L60E to the AR5 5-speed transmission. You can get that transmissions out of Colorados, so you could get it out of Hummers, Solstice. I mean, there's plenty of direction you could get for that, but we're gonna be doing a full build, but you know, screw all that. You're here for the Nissan S13, right? So we took us about maybe, I don't know, give or take 2 hours. Eventually I'll throw in somewhere in the comment section bracket part numbers and stuff that we use, but fairly straightforward swap. Felt like that engine was made to fit in that car. The wiring harness, I'll do another DIY video on that, or not DIY, I'm sorry, more of a review, I want to say, of the swap on that. That was actually really good harness, hooked right up and hooked up to the factory dash, so everything's all in order, you know. Eventually, long-term solution for the budget swaps, we're going to be doing a brick and mortar shop, hopefully eventually, where we could be just doing LS swaps for y'all guys. I'm trying to project it to where it's gonna be like $5 grand maybe, you know, drop your car off, take off with an LS, and all right. I'm gonna be looking for sponsors and eventually, you know, financing options. So, because I don't have $5 grand just to throw away like that, and I'm pretty sure most of y'all don't have $5 grand. And if I could offer a solution to where you could just finance it, you know, a firm maybe, hello, a firm you wanna finance through us so you can be able to help all these people do an LS swap, cool. Anyway, so it had an RB22 Japanese zippity doopity kind of a engine in there, and well, there's nothing wrong with that, you know. Those engines can make some power, but we're in Texas, right? Texas wants LS swaps. LS swap your grandma, you know. Everything, you want to put an LS in everything, and you can get them very cheap, and that's what we end up doing. We got a very cheap LS 5.3. Eventually we're gonna have part 2, 3, 4, 5 of this. We're gonna be eventually going to 6.0, but we just want to get the car running, right? We just want to put in the 5.3 in there, get it for $400 or $500, and just get it running, right? Get it running. So this video is just not gonna be a full DIY, but it's just gonna be time lapsing, like I said, cutting, you know, edits, just generic video for now, for the time that I have to edit it. But stay tuned. And we got the 68 Firebird. I also have the rusted out Sportsters. I have another Sportster I'm building, and that's another thing that we're going to be doing on this channel, where we do full rust builds, and they're actually painted. They're not going to be full rust like all the, you know, Vegas rat rods and stuff where they actually rust out it completely. I don't like to do that because I don't like to mess with the integrity and structure of the bike, but I do full builds of painting them. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Oh, like, subscribe, all that fancy stuff that everybody probably brainwashes you to. If you want to do it, it helps out the channel. If not, cheerio. this up. We're gonna lift it up, and then I'm gonna probably put this in time lapse for now, and we'll let you see it in action. Okay, so the oil pan we're gonna have to use for the S13 Canton makes this oil pan front sump. What was the part number on it?
15-276.
15-276. There you go. Okay, there you go. So we're sitting on the mount, as you can see right here. Just one bolt that holds it on. Got plenty of clearance. LS1 reading. Once we put the reader in, I'll do a better video shot on that. There you go. Stage 1. And this is showing you where the hole is in the original shifter. And the shifter hole lines up pretty good right there. No one had to modify. And just like that, Nissan LS13 swap. Not too bad. You can see it probably took us maybe give or take 2 hours. Still got to throw the headers in, fuel lines, wiring harness, radiator, etc., and all like that. Definitely gonna be upgrading the cam pretty soon, so that way, you know, we're at the light, all you're gonna hear is chalupa, 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 chalupa. Instead of that annoying, you know, typical import sound where you're gonna sounds like a muffler fell off a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. Not just jokes aside, I like the way that sounds. It's just that European sound. That's your sound. That's your sound. But anyways, this is Barely Sane Garage, based out of Texas, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.